Some people I have two live I go share with you. See the first live I go share with you at Dyema and Blinger they on live, you see me I say, and Dyema talk about like one time how she uh take back some clothes from a man where she used to deal with after she buy him some clothes and whatever. She talk a bunch of things, but the thing where she start off with my people, Shaniel Muir, ex-man. Him and Dyema, maybe them come from still. You see me, but me don't know if them have any type of issue or what. But Dyema bring him down my people. Yeah man, Dyema said the dog now work with. You know what? Me I go make no ear with Dyema Affi say. You see me I say? And Destiny and this person here when him Tina. Them jump off this morning wicked pan alive my people. And them I go meet up. Destiny want meet up and boss fight. See? So we are gonna get in a that cause Destiny I go hard my people. Yeah man. So we're gonna jump off it with Dyema and then we get into the rest.
But I know that one God's child, the thing is, actually because them not know, them not talk, I only for them I do the things them love. So you think
you Shaniel Muir can't sing about yam. I'm buying one ring to get mad. That's one thing me not do. Now buy myself no blood clot ring. Why? If you're looking at blood clot, why buy a popcorn ring? Try go blood clot by you not get that. Jesus. Could I really buy myself ring?
I approve this message.
That's what me not do. And they say me
you know what? She sing about real top girl and real this and real that and the things that we are here. I mean not me. I mean
when me not tell no lie. When we look up to Shaniel Muir and they song them. When me hear say Shaniel Muir by the ring, me not tell no lie, me look up the drop.
Me not look up to none of them me love because me know what time it is. Sure? Them can't fool the people.
But I want this year. Tell them a people can't sing all around me blood clot nothing.
No, they can't
take me for by a Judy.
No, but look, all of them when you see a come, them especially the ones them what claim say them are uptownians. Them only can uptownians span some people, not blinger. We know what time it is. Climax what happen. Me not look up to none of them because me tell you me know them file, me have it. Them only come out here come make things look good. It's not what it's.
No man, nobody know. Me no hear me no listen. Me no hear me no. The man get in trouble and me no yam.
That is not yam.
That's not yam. That's not yam. If Shaniel Muir now buying the ring for himself, that I am. That a whole heap of yam in the field, the water body a grow.
Well on them enough girl buy ring for themselves, you know. But you see, because she come out as a top girl, and that's the problem, you know.
Blinger, I will help a man to the extent.
Me
but
too.
If you want a blood clot wife, me not buy myself no ring.
Alright, enough of the girl.
You can't go hustle and buy one ring and if you not real.
But listen to me now. Dyema, that's why you see, me tell them people all the time. Do not press these people want to see on social media because they don't know how hard them have it and the things where them are going to try with them, big try with them. You know.
No boy can't tell me so they want blood clot wife for me to buy. So I married myself. If me marry me, I married my blood clot. Same thing. I buy myself ring. Plus buy you ring. And that's something want to go in a white frock.
Yes.
I will wait till I dead. Alright, wait till I go in a church. If me really want to wear white gown, I go baptize and they put me under the water. Alright, wait till I dead and put me in a white frock then. And if I ever dead and somebody put me in a white frock, I say I have to feel life. Because I don't like frock.
Come on, people, come. Alright, let me try see if me get the microwave. Some can't buy the microwave.
I'm saying the boy I'm mad out, you know. Can I come like Shaniel Muir give me a piece of flat battery on the recipe and the dirty germs, you know. Yeah, the boy when you ask me if he eat, he nearly. Him not tell me no Shani more clap round and let Alex across him face. Him turning a bad. Sometimes like him a reminisce on the eating. Come like I meet out and Shani I think a bubble gum. Last thing to say.
Guys, when you drop something of it.
Class out in dirty blood class.
You drop something of it.
Every time you come in and sing Shani Muir song. Watch you eat that boy named Uncle. I'm going to take up bleach. You said the fuck off you ever rat nice, your blood clot. Ever watch one show in Ratatouille? If you have the blood clot garbage boy when on the show, I same look.
4 roses my side.
The way Shani Muir, I come out to the line of Shani Muir, I'm the artist, I'm have to beat you. But too bad, because the way you ain't come about. But show me chocolate one day and everybody come back to him. That blood clot chocolate, they melt out a rubbish ship. Him a rubbish ship. Shani Muir come like getting blind when they have to come with some mad bumbo old boy.
3 times.
Triple guys, triple too much talking.
Guys, me look the microwave come. Somebody can buy me
the last game is bullshit. We're gonna drop we're start crowd up over here. Tripper! We can't even get you can't come so do it for the tripper. Come and do it for the tripper, please.
Guys, come.
Alright, my baby, thank you, Mercedes. Uncle down.
Don't drop something at the payment.
Channel my people, how Dyema deal with the G-Sup? Dyema said them asking me if him eat and him say nearly. Yo, Jaja. So people want to tell me what they think in the comment section about what Dyema say about Shaniel Muir, you know what I mean, buying her ring and them something there. You see me? And she I know the first woman miss it do that. You know what I mean? And miss it woman buy a ring and propose to man on national TV. You see me? International TV. So not really wrong with that, but because of the song them what she sing, you know what I mean? I remember say Shaniel Muir in the past time, you know, so she not have to live what she sing. You see me I say? So make me know what I think my people will get back in it.
Jesus Christ, we don't could Dyema score over there, so no man.
Guys, come on, do not. Look here now. I don't know if Shani will get that boy from him mad. Shani will play on that too. Come here, who get Shani will repeat, because I don't know when they read that boy.
Triple guys, triple. No, sir.
I'm going to lie and become for interview. This big wall, bomber wall.
Alright, I'm going to drop one glove. Somebody come on the show.
Woman, blood clot, money and boy blood. Him take it. Me ear teeth in boy. Me ear teeth in boy. The boy take the woman money and them out and a Shaniel Muir. Moving blood clot.
Thanks for the follow, George. Thanks for the follow.
You're not big of a dance, no. You ask me if he eat it. Almost. Bumbo will eat it.
Why?
We know biter draws. We know biter draws. We know all biter draws. We know all biter draws.
The people them a turn over here.
We know every biter blood clot draws.
Wicked girl, thanks for the follow. That's Dyema for you.
Because the coffee is bleaching. Right now, if you have Alaska, because Alaska water in a blood clot right now. One more game, please, I'm going to go straight to soup for my family members.
Alright, cool. Come on, people.
Who can buy me the TV?
Who can buy me the TV? Come with one.
Then he could have really eaten a Shani Muir one buy a ring. The boy must be on good.
Come on my side. Why
That's the only way Mr. Shani Muir go buy a ring for himself. The boy have to eat good.
Why are you sitting good?
Swipe or no swiping, eh? That boy the short man not care big things. Remember me run through professional and short and tall.
Come on my side. Everybody
he probably have a little bigger size for him, but short man not care big things. But you see that coffee in the face and know them eat good. Eat him eat good, not sex good.
My side, push up the score. Come, on a focus.
Love you. You make me happy this. Oh, you don't know your friend never knock it.
Money in a hand for you.
Look up your hand, boy, you walk up your wall.
Me say, come on, people.
I can't, y'all. ask neighbor happy. Me need a man to and also treat me right. You know, me neighbor need your money just because anything me want a man to get the prize. I talk y'all in all your life, I your neighbor lie. You treat me like you want me life for you, another guy. Your action, my reaction. Your style, that me know. You never love me. Oh, you feel for no, so you lose a good girl over fuckery. So take your time and think about that. And what? I'm in the ugly. Me wash, cook, and clean and clean, but still I never notice. I know the person is justice. Yeah. What's up? Me not gonna say all the worst kind of bless, but baby, look, not gonna bring me happiness. You don't want to bring happiness, so I have to eat. You have to eat.
Teresa, somebody drop something at the payment method.
Okay, you know, shoot the big song. I'm just going around with me, man. Shoot.
No, sir. Come on, people. Which part the speed there?
Yo, papi, dad. I love you, God. All I know your friend.
We need 3.
I not 3D. Yeah, I want to show you the real me. But me too cute for your WhatsApp. You know how long I want to put fire.
Come on, my side.
Hey, 7 roses, me don't sing. 7 roses, don't take a video. 7 roses, 399 people there. 7 roses. Guys, all the roses.
One more. All right, my
guys,
side.
7 roses. I mean, I could do so much entertainment.
Okay.
And then something we can't really see good at night, you know. Because that stresses me out. 1 more rose. Guys.
Triple.
What do you mean if I saw Dyema bad? Me a bad artist.
Triple. Come on, triple my side. Let's go. Come. Drop everything, triple. No come, shoot.
Bring a home of all our police never have. Bring a never yet. That scam will not get move your dirty blood clot. Bring a never yet. That scam your blood clot get. Police is a man. Bring a scam you get.
Come on, my side.
Police don't have no record. Police don't mix up bring a name. Police was just for the internet. Police was a mascot show. Move your dirty blood.
What am I say about me over there? What am I say?
Why do you think? Let me show you. Let me read it back. Bling you open up your hole and police never have nothing. Bling and police ever lay down. When you know that you have proof.
But look here no. But Dyema, how that a for them problem? If me open up the Derek.
Guys, at least me get for the tripper. But a big careless is me have to go. I have to leave, yes, so.
Dyema, no sir. All of this. For them a score ya.
Like 40. Where me wanna close no bar of the shorty. Me never hide from my girl.
So, my people, that's why I always tell you, say, is when it come to like social media and what go on social media, don't believe everything wanna see on social media, because me know see a lot of wanna see people live them lifestyle on social media. I wanna live that the lifestyle there. Nothing wrong to be ambitious still, but some wanna go through the extreme to get certain things, because wanna see that person they get it, or wanna see a person they live a type of lifestyle and want to follow because them are influencer and look up to them. You see it? You hear what Dyema say? Bling on the man never there. You see me I say? And we see Bling promote him as our man. You see me? So you can't believe everything we wanna see on social media. Them have a saying where them say, believe half of what you see and none of what you hear. You see me I say? So let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. Watch some more.
Everybody no boy no shoes to take them back. Move them blood. If we take them up naked, I will feel like clean them up. And if them eye problem say we take back every blood clot thing. I say, hey, go so. Someone I say, I saw us stay. Is that where here is? I'm going to come up with we won't put 2 pieces of clothes for the boy, let me know. But try no dirty boy. If we don't slip, we don't slide, we take back everything. I saw when you come here bigger. I saw when the boy when he Eugene, the boy fuck by me and come here, but we take him bigger and come back every piece of clothes you buy me, you get nothing. When the boy come and search the basket, no basket, the boy feel a big son of the people. Glass wind that is like, why? Move. Anybody has to come and paper off your back, you know who me. Bring a pin your mistake back. Mark Paul, look on the way, because anyone buy, you know. Something. Any boy I buy, no, now I tell you, no. Just if you want to start your worries, just say me not take it back willfully. But every time I wash my bleach out them blood clot. By the time I'm ready to go, everything bleach out and tear up. So if you think you use me, you use yourself. I mean, I take the time and bleach it out. So by the time you leave, nothing no leave. The whole your clothes turn like a fucking barrel, man. Go ahead, I don't know something about it. Oh! We can't come back with big man. We know what we are doing. Don't follow our footsteps. We know what we are doing. Why can't use? We know what we're doing. Hey, watch out! What are doing? Hey, guys, this is not good. I don't understand. I don't know if the cost or if it just fail. You know what? We must cost. What is?
Alright, so my people. Alright, yeah, so me I go end it. I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me I say man been buying woman things for the longest while. Men been taking care of woman from the beginning. So I know nothing if woman start give man things, you know. You see me? And in a long time since woman are give man things. You see me? Maybe it woman used to give men things back in the days, but not as much as it a go on here now, because back in the days men used to be sole providers for their family. You hardly find woman at work, and now you find enough woman independent certain way. Women used to be stay-at-home moms and them way they are housewife and them something there. So a full time for them start give back the man them some things. Nothing wrong with that. So let me know what you think in the comment section. My people, we are gonna go over Destiny and now at it with our friend. So make we get into that.
Nobody now watch you. I'm a TikTok page, man. So your mother account, man. Can you want me blood clot me dirty girl? You want me to so mad bad?
Not the way you do can't mad me.
Me say you want me to so bad, no blood clot.
You're working in Switzerland. Do you have a job in Switzerland?
Me must say the on Twitter. Me have a video with the Twitter.
You have a job in Switzerland?
Twitter.
Me say you have a job in Switzerland. You don't have a blood clot job. Go to school and then you can beat me Destiny. Go to school and then you can beat me. Ich think Frau in the Schweiz, sabe eine Stelle. Hast du eine Stelle in der Schweiz? Du Nute auf my car. Du Nute.
Me say pull your door for your bad girl and come out.
So where you say you can't come out? So where you say you can't come out?
Go outside. Me say me don't come out. Walk 3 minutes. Walk 3 blood clot minutes. Walk 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Make you go along to fight. Me not go your yard. Make you go along to go fight. Make you take that you bust off your throat.
I know that. Come do it now.
Slice up your blood clot.
Come on, do it.
Come out there, so. Walk along street. Walk along street 3 minutes. Hold on. Walk along street 3 minutes.
Come and do it. Come touch me.
Come touch a button. Make you walk 3 minutes.
Sit there. Touch a button right now, old girl. You can't play with me.
Make you walk 3 blood clot minutes.
No, can't play with me.
Make you walk 3 minutes.
I say you can't play with me.
I say make you walk 3 minutes. Come out.
Girl, you can't play with me.
Make you walk 3 minutes. Bust up your blood clot. Me say make you walk 3 blood clot minutes.
Anything you want to do, come play with me.
Make you walk 3 minutes.
Come play with me.
Get me blood clot. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of blood clot.
Come play with me.
Me say walk 3 minutes. Come go along street out of the front.
Come, bitch. Come.
Make you go along street out of the front.
Me no argument with you, girl. Cause you're waste matter.
Police like the last time.
You're waste matter, no blood clot.
Me say make you walk along street.
Me no argue with girl when no make sense in a foreign. Me no argue with girl when no ambition and no career.
Latina, you stay bad. You don't look good Latina be a hot girl for you. Latina the world where you stay bad. You can't wear ease at 55 you wear. You can't wear over cute slippers like this. Latina, you're not cute, so. You're not cute, so.
Walk 3 minutes. Pull them out. Maybe it up on me with top cloth. Yeah, walk 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I nobody call the police. How we always do. Hello, talk. Come. Walk 3 minutes. You're a waste of matter. So you tell me say me have to go waste walking. Latina, you not come to my yard and me not go your yard. Me could go to long street out in front. Walk 3 minutes. A police you call, watch ya. You can't call police. You could have tricked me. Me say you can walk at the back. You can't trick me. I would have left me blood clot in your face. Me not even show them. But you see this girl, me that left in the I'm tired of you. You don't know when people tired are. I would have bust your blood clot. Waste of matter. You're an idiot. You think I'm tired of you. You have the amount of report they find you. If me kill a man, come out there.
People, you see them two, yeah? Them been at it for the longest while. And you know, this time them good. The next time, them inner things with one another. I'm going to show now vibes. See? Alright. The two of them as Jamaican and them are, you know what I mean, a part of the community, whatever. And them go over the country, figure try to sort out themselves and them get through and them over there. As two Jamaicans, knowing that there isn't a lot of Jamaicans at that country, why them can't live good? I just that more know why them are people. Them been at it for the longest while, you know. This time them good as me say, the next time them at it. And remember them they way far away from Jamaica. And them can't keep each other company. You hear what she say? Sorry, you hear what him say? She the next one, they about 3 minutes away from him. So why them can't get along and keep each other company, knowing that them are Jamaicans and them they are people country?
You don't have to come off of the life. If you walk with me, walk with blood clot me. Remember me beat up here in a treat that me beat you. You don't know when people are texted from people. You don't know when she texted from blood clot people. The woman cut her when Patrick take say I'm going to show you. Look at them wickedness of Latina do.
That's crazy.
Look here. Herself and say I'm me do it. And me blood clot do it. I'm going to show you. And nobody not talk about them wickedness there. Hold on. Nobody not talk about their wickedness there. I'll show you. Everybody I put you up and I say, Jesus Christ, so Latina wicked so. I'm going to say fancy a destiny. Look. See video here. Judgment. I'm going to say fancy a me.
Destiny. Oh, call the police then. Call the police.
You hear what she said now? Hold on.
Jesus.
Your blood clots. They will lock you up.
You're a French in our background.
When you see me go wait them, they run. You're gonna lock you up. Yes. We'll lock up your blood clots. Me, I lock you up. I'll stop your blood clots. Stop for the up. Stupidness now. You're gonna lock her up. Stop for the up. Me, I will lock her up.
You hear what the girl say? The girl said she must stop her phone in it.
Lock up your blood clot.
The girl said she must stop her phone because she don't have no proof. And the girl said to her, say, Latina, if you make a false report for Destiny, you can go to prison and leave me a blood clot. Who that text it for me? Oh, she had texted for blood clot me. Alright. And she had texted for me. The woman cut her friend. The girl said,
Latina texted for you, man.
The girl said, Latina, if you make a false report for Destiny,
she said you can't keep a man because any man is getting man, they're going to left you. So make sure that obey you if a man.
Look here now. Judgment. Any man see me take them obsessed over me, I mean no want them.
To me, that's
judgment.
That's
giving jealousy, like you know, I get jealous of you all and she have to get the good man them, they want up here for the man them.
Patrol. Man no run me and me run man. You know, so me talk to the boy like a dog in here. And Latina want the boy and Latina worship the boy.
Alright, some people. Alright, yeah, so me I go end it. Just let me know what you think in the comment section.